Extremely durable case. Costs less than most other durable external hard drives. Decent average transfer speeds for a 5400 RPM drive. Comes with quite a few handy hardware and software features. Cons. No noteworthy downsides. 2 terabytes might not be enough for some users. Also, it has 2 additional functions, one touch quick reconnect and one touch auto backup buttons, which allow you to instantly create backups by just pressing the button on the hard drive. To do this you will have to use the Transcend Delete Data Manager program that has a couple more functions for data management that are discussed further. It has a 3-stage advanced shock protection, which makes it capable of withstanding your weight in case you accidentally sit on it or if it falls from your table, since it has a suspension damper inside it. It is covered with a hard casing to help prevent damage to the hard disk drive with an anti-slip rubber enclosure, making sure you don't drop it in the first place. Aside from protection, the drive has a nice design with the backup, reconnect button placed in the corner. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe.